guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me, and this time it is in my Hobonichi Weeks Mega Notes pages that I'm using as another Hobonichi Weeks in my Hobonichi Weeks Mega. So instead of using these pages as notes, I'm actually making these into the same format as a Hobonichi Weeks. That's in front, right there. So let's see. Now, last time, this is what we came up with. This is the Edward Hobonichi Weeks weekly kit. And this was in the last plan with me. So this time, it's going to be in these pages using the Team Jacob or just Jacob Hobonichi Weeks kit. So if you'd like to see how this page turns out, make sure to watch until the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the kit first. So this is the first page. So this has a lot of the forest in it, and this is a, sorry, is it focused? Okay, you see that wolf? It's a wolf. Guess who it is? Okay, and then spoilers. Okay, and then this is the second page, and this has your bottom bars, and in the giant bottom bar for the right page is this, Stay With Me Forever. And let's go ahead and start. So whenever I plan here, instead of putting these at the bottom, they actually go on top. But today, I'm going to put them at the bottom so that it's comparable with the Team Edward. So Edward and Jacob kit are part of my Twilight series, Twilight collection, not series, but Twilight collection of Hobonichi Weeks kits. And there's another one. It's called Bella. Right. I'm just going to align it here. I'm going to show you up close in a bit. Let me just put it down. Okay. Focus. There we go. So I left a little bit of a space. If you just want to try it, even with the regular weeks, then you can. And then I'm going to get this forest thing. I'm gonna put it down here. I'm sorry. No. Okay. Go back. Stop moving the Hobonichi. Because I like the look of the forest. Ugh. Okay. There we go. That's as good as it will get. There's a little bit of a gap here. If you can see that. That's fine. Let's just ignore that. So that didn't happen. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna go here. That should be good. So, not totally at the edge, because I'm already getting worried about the spine. But I'm sure this is a Hobonichi, so it's gonna be alright. Alright, so these are the stickers that we have left. The script stickers, and then these, and then the decos, labels, and then dots. But I'm gonna put this away, and then I'm gonna bust out my pens. So you've seen this is the third time I'm featuring this. And my ruler, which has been here forever. So I'm going to go ahead and line these, and I'll be right back. And we're back. So we have already lined the left side of the page, and I'm going to go ahead and scoot it over to the right side of the page, where we are going to potentially have a lot of fun. So this side of the Hobonichi Weeks Mega that I'm using is actually for shop planning. So all shop things go in here. And last time, I don't think I filmed this. I just do not think I did that. I don't really know. So I'm going to go ahead and... Should I do the same thing? Yeah, why not? Okay. I'm going to make a giant track list here. And that is my media tracker. Media and tasks tracker. What else can we do here? Ooh, okay, so we have new releases this week. So notes for new releases will go here. Ah, I've gone over. I'm sorry. Are you annoyed? Okay. That notes go there, like the script sticker notes go there. And then goals go here. Is there anything else I'd like to do? Let's see. Yeah. I think let's leave it for now and then go back to stickers. If I, decide to do anything else, then it'll be towards the end. So I'm going to go ahead and take the script sticker that's weekend. I'm going to put it here. And then I'm going to take notes. Ugh. Take it from the other side. Notes and goals. Goals. Any notes? I need to resupply actually, so that's gonna happen soon. So today and to do, and then I'm gonna take track, put it up here, and then I'm gonna take teardrops, and run out of fingers. Put them here. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Hope, 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 hope. Okay, and then I'm going to take these headers. Well, I'm going to take one. Let's see if I take more than one. These new releases are very important. I would release midnight of Wednesday, so that's Wednesday afternoon, EST. And then I'm going to take this here. Oh, hang on. I'm going to put it on Saturday because that's a major filming day. So what I do is on a Saturday, usually, I would film. Plan with me because that's when I usually do my next week plans. And then I'm going to put this here. Why? I do not know why. Yeah. And then I'm going to hang on. Let's light this up. Light it up. Actually, guys, I don't have a posting schedule. I say that, it's going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays. As of now, I don't have a posting schedule. I do have a filming schedule, and when I have a chance to edit, then I will edit, and as soon as I finish one edit, I post it immediately. And then, okay, that is looking good. It's actually looking good. I'm being very, very happy right now. So I'm going to take this car. It's going to go over her face. So I'm going to cut it. Where's my trusty scissors? There we go. Ta-da! Goals. Yes. The goals is to, be good at stuff. And I'm going to take this moon. I'm going to put it here. I'm actually liking this a lot. I did not think I was going to like it this much. So I have dots here. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take moon. Ooh, can we still take moon? Yes, we can. Moon has lifted some of the ink, but that's fine. Moon can go here. And just for kicks, there we go. I wrote down Love by the Moon. Let me show you. Okay. Alright, and then what we're going to do, oh my gosh, last few things. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on there. Okay. And then you don't get, do you want this tiny one? This tiny one right there. No. What am I doing? So I still have a few left, so I'm just going to put this on here. No, I'm going to put it here on the notes. And then 2 on the goals. I'm just going to put it on the goals first. So they're not just goals, instead they're targets to meet. but I feel like a lot of people would relate to goals more. And this is us finished. So this is empty number 1 and empty number 2. There you go. And this is the Team Jacob spread. All right. Oh, okay. Hang on. Just to be fair, I'm gonna take my pen. Gonna write down 14. And that is what we have. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. So this is what we have for Team Jacob. Da-da-da. Okay, so if you'd like to see a side-by-side comparison of Team Jacob and Team Edward, go ahead and take a look at our Instagram. So follow us on Instagram, that is paperjoyph, and it's also going to be in my Facebook page, paperjoyph, also on Facebook. Now that's all for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel. And of course, everything that you saw here, so the stickers for Hobonichi Weeks, is from my shop, paperjoyph. You can also opt to join our Facebook group, paperjoyph Planning World, should you choose. So next time, guys, I am going to plan again in my Hobonichi Weeks, or maybe I'll plan in my Hobonichi Cousin. It really depends on what I'm in the mood for. Probably it's going to be in the Cousin. So let's wait for how I feel on that day when I film. Alright guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!